are going to discuss about caustic embrittlement. Define the term of caustic embrittlement. It is a type of boiler corrosion which is caused by high alkaline water in boiler, particularly at those places which are under stress such as rivets, joints and vents, with the result that metal plates become brittle. This type of effect is known as caustic embrittlement. When water is softened by lime soda process, so sodium carbonate concentration increase in boiler. Sodium carbonate decomposed in boiler to form sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide makes the water in boiler alkaline. On evaporation of water, the concentration of dissolved sodium hydroxide progressively increase, which attack the iron in boiler material, converting it to sodium ferrate and cause embrittlement of boiler parts such as rivets, joints, vents and other stress parts. So main cause of caustic embrittlement is sodium carbonate. High pressure boiler sodium carbonate undergo hydrolysis to produce NaOH. Caustic embrittlement are also form the concentration cell in boiler. Clear that? See the diagram. Concentration cell. The caustic embrittlement of the boiler form the concentration cell. The cathodic area is iron surrounded by dilute NaOH solution and anodic area is iron surrounded by relatively concentrated NaOH solution. Iron is contact with concentrated solution undergo dissolution and that get corroded. See the next slide is clear that caustic embrittlement concentration cell. Iron at stress part anode, iron at unstressed part cathode, and we can say formation of concentration cell. What are the caustic embrittlement can be prevented? Caustic embrittlement can be prevented by using sodium phosphate as softening agent instead of sodium carbonate. Second is adding chemicals such as tannin.
हेलो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं कास्टिक इम्ब्रिटाइलमेंट। कास्टिक इम्ब्रिटाइलमेंट शब्द से ही स्पष्ट है कि कास्टिक के द्वारा बॉयलर का ब्रिटाइल होना कास्टिक ब्रिटाइलमेंट कहलाता है। कास्टिक मीन्स NaOH और ब्रिटाइल मीन्स टूटना। NaOH की वजह से बॉयलर का टूटना कास्टिक इम्ब्रिटाइलमेंट कहलाता है। NaOH बॉयलर के अंदर आता कहां से है, जो कि कास्टिक एम्ब्रिटाइलमेंट क्रिएट करता है? बॉयलर इज यूज्ड फॉर स्टीम जनरेशन. If hard water is obtained from natural sources is fed directly into boiler, then boiler troubles or arise like caustic embrittlement. Lime soda is used for the removal of hardness causing salts in boiler water, then sodium carbonate concentration is increased in boiler water, then sodium carbonate decomposed in high pressure to form sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide concentration increase progressively on heated, then sodium hydroxide react with metal surface to form sodium ferrate. It means boiler is corroded. कास्टिक एम्ब्रिटाइलमेंट को कैसे रोका जा सकता है? कास्टिक एम्ब्रिटाइलमेंट को रोकने के लिए 3 तरीके हैं। पहला, सोडियम कार्बोनेट के स्थान पर हम सोडियम सल्फेट का यूज करें। सोडियम कार्बोनेट के स्थान पर सोडियम फॉस्फेट का यूज कर सकते हैं और बॉयलर वाटर के pH को 8 to 9 रखें। So we can say the use of certain substance such as sodium sulfate and sodium phosphate, the use of tannin lignin solution, and the maintain of pH of boiler water is 8 to 9. Okay, bye.